I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
I'm Esther.
Esther. Where do you come from?
This place.
Okay, you are from this place.
Yeah.
Okay, how is the waterfall? How do you enjoy it?
Actually, the senior is nice. Hi,
What is your name?
Janet.
Janet. So how are you enjoying the waterfall?
It's a very nice place, cool and serene, peaceful.
Hello good people, you're welcome back again to the channel. It's your boy Sunny Media. So guys, this is a continuation of the video you watched the other time, taking you to the waterfall in Tafo here in Kwahu. So we are still on Kwahu Easter, guys. So I decided to take you to the waterfall. This is the guide. Yes, his instructions you must follow at the waterfall. Remember what happened to the other guy? Yes, the other guy fell from the waterfall, knocked his head on the stone. So this is the reason why they are giving that warning, for you to be careful at the waterfall to avoid this kind of things. So but thank God the guy didn't wound himself. He was okay. He stood up, he was okay. He was fine. Yes, he was fine. Nothing happened to him, but we have to be careful because of in case of things like this. Yes, that is why they gave that instructions, the warnings for everyone coming to the waterfall to follow the instructions. So guys, we are taking you to the waterfall, but before then, we want to see how the food, how they sell food around here. Yes, and also patronize them, buy their food, eat before going to the waterfall. Actually, we are in the area of the waterfall, guys. We are already here. So enjoy this video, guys. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Yes, give your comment in the comment section below, guys.
What are you buying? Is it fufu? You're buying fufu. So guys, we are buying fufu to eat first before we go to the waterfall. See the beautiful woman selling fufu. Mami, oh yeah. Ejuma Munti say. Yeah. Mami video food. See the way they are preparing the food. Fufu. Here in Waterfall area. Yes. Exactly. Let me video the pots of food. Okay, this one they have already transferred it into something they'll be selling to people. So it's a fufu. Yeah, so after eating, we're gonna take you to the waterfall, guys, and show you everything about the waterfall.
So guys, this is grass cutters physics soup, like grass cutter, the sheet they used to cook the soup. It's a light soup. So let's know in the comment section, do you eat something like, do you eat a soup they use grass cutters physics, like the sheet to cook the soup? Drop in the comment if you eat it. So me, I ate it. Since people are eating it and they are healthy, why not? So I ate it. Nothing happened to me. It was okay. My body is sounding, my body is bodying. But drop in the comment section if you eat it or not.
Good morning. How are you? My name is Sunny. What's your name?
Mark.
Bismarck. Are you from here?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Oh, okay. We want to go to waterfall. How is it like?
Oh, it's nice.
Have you been there before?
I've been there for a long time.
Okay. So what is going on over there in the waterfall? How is it like?
It's I can say it's nice and
okay, it's nice. So we should go there and see by ourselves.
yes.
Oh, okay. So guys, we are done eating. So let's go to the waterfall, guys. So So here we are. It's so chilled, guys. Look at the breeze. Look at, for you to imagine how this place will be chilled, guys. Look at how the trees are moving due to the breeze, guys. This is a waterfall area, guys. Oh my God! Wow, wow, guys, just take a look. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Wow. This is where the water is from. From the stone, it goes like that. From there, let's take you guys. You see from here, the waterfall. So, guys, they said, as according to they said the water used to be plenty more than this one, but because today it's not plenty. So, this is the last floor. So, guys, see. Wow. This is the waterfall, guys. Here in Peru. See the rock from the waterfall. Nice. It's a beautiful creation. Beautiful creation, guys. From God. Natural. Guys, do you love here? Drop in the comment section how you see it. Nice, everywhere it's chilled, guys. It's very cold. Very cold.
Why you are falling?
Fine.
What is your name?
I'm Esther.
Esther. Where do you come from?
This place.
Okay, you are from this place.
Yeah.
Okay, how is the waterfall? How do you enjoy it?
Actually, the senior is nice. Everything is enjoying. Yeah.
Wow. Hope you enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Wow. Hello, how are you?
Hi,
What is your name?
Janet.
Janet. So, how are you enjoying the waterfall?
It's a very nice place, cool and serene, peaceful.
Yeah, I can see that too. Are you from here?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Oh, wow.
We came from Bunsu.
Okay, Bonsu.
Yeah.
Wow. So, hope you will bath.
Oh yeah. Monday we coming back. The water will be plenty like that.
Okay, it's not plenty now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. They are waiting for Monday.
On Monday, so it will become plenty.
Yeah.
Wow. For me, I will have like that.
Okay.
So, nice speaking with you.
All right. Thank
So
you.
let's enjoy together, okay? Oh my God, guys, let's enjoy this waterfall. Let's just enjoy it. Let me go and bath, guys. Guys, you will see me bathing. I wear my pants. I'm wearing only pants. I didn't wear boxers, but I will bath like that. I must bath. See the guys are swimming. Can see him. Have you bath already? He did not bath. Why? Why you didn't bath?
I'm not really into it. Experience over here.
Charlie, let me come and tell them experience. Charlie, the water is. Tell me, how is the experience like?
Spirit in the water inside.
Yeah.
And the massage, the water.
Like seriously.
Cleansing. Serious therapy for here, Charlie.
Like seriously.
I don't want to say it.
I will go and see. I will experience it by myself. I'll have the experience it by myself. Yes. Oh my God. Wow. Like seriously. This is actually my first time.
Peacefully enjoying.
You enter into the video. You only enter there. Hey, no. You are welcome to kwahu Waterfall. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video you just watched about the waterfall. So this is the experience I had. My first time here in Kwahu, Ghana, the Easter Kwahu, guys. So the Easter Kwahu is still ongoing, you know. So we are going to show you other places. We are going to take you to other places, guys. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a video you get notified. Give the video a big thumbs up. So just as you can see, I'm live here at Waterfall here in Kwahu, guys. Here is called Butuasi, where we are now in Butuasi, Stafo Butuasi. Yeah. So here in Kwahu, yes, the Kwahu Easter is still ongoing, guys. We are really enjoying ourselves. Oh my God. If you have not come to Kwahu before during the Easter, you need to try it and see. All right, guys. I love you all. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.